Inside the advanced display located on the top right-hand corner of the cab is a new feature called Attachment Manager. This feature comes pre-programmed with optimal flow and pressure settings for John Deere attachments. Additionally, operators can use this feature to toggle between preset and pre-saved attachments, as well as view joystick layout of attachments. So let's learn how to use it. First, select Attachment Manager on the home screen. The first screen that pops up will display the current selected attachment. The setting for a general attachment is typically selected if the operator is using a bucket. If the operator wants to toggle between attachments, select the gear symbol at the bottom left-hand corner. This screen shows the current selected attachment, which when clicked allows the operator to edit the settings for the current attachment. Selecting attachments, this will give you a list of pre-saved attachments. At this moment, we only have a general attachment saved. To add a new attachment, we will use a cold planer, for example. Select the plus button. Here we will set up a CP24. Through this attachment manager system, you are able to uniquely label and pre-saved attachments. For this example, we will name it JD CP24. Next, confirm the attachment by selecting the OK button. By selecting the new pre-saved attachment at the top, you will then be able to edit the current name, view flow rates that are already preset for the John Deere attachment. One thing I would like to point out is the joystick layout feature. Since a cold planer is typically more complex when it comes to joystick functions, this will show you the joystick layout. Now let's return to the main screen. You will now see the selected attachment. By selecting the gear button and then attachments, you will now see that the JD CP24 is now a saved attachment. Attachment Manager does still allow you to use non-John Deere attachments, so you will just need to go through the attachment settings and set this based on what the attachment manufacturer recommends. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you better optimize your attachments on your John Deere machine.